Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745 and in this video I will show you how to toggle web camera on this laptop. First of all, be aware that your camera has a manual shutter, and if you move this shutter to the right you will open your camera, and if you move it to the left you will close it. To toggle your camera you have to go to Settings, then open Bluetooth and Devices, find Cameras, select HP HD camera. To turn it off, click Disable, then click Yes, and to turn it back on, click Enable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.